Kasya pa ba? Ano kaya ganun? Ano natin? Hawakan ba natin?
Hindi, baba mo siya.
Wait lang. Wahan. Ganyan.
Ayan, okay. Taas mo ng konti.
Ayan.
Para kita natin yung...
Ayan. Paad. Isa pa? Okay na yan?
Mamaya na siya.
Baka mamaya mag-ganon yan. Oh, sabi ko yung supon. Ano, nakapunta pala doon kay... Oh my God, dito na to. Uwi na tayo ng Dubai. Nag-record ba sa'yo?
Hindi pa, mamaya na. Papatay ko. Nag-atras ko.
Ay, di puta, mamaya din na pala.
There's no overhead lock.
Ay, di puta, di ko na.
For takeoff, you need to put away your tape,
Yung ano,
take your
laptop doon
footrest,
nakabukas. Ay, naka-off natin.
open your window blinds, and all seats
Kanina
need
pa
to
eh.
be completely upright.
Ano mo na ba?
Also, we recommend you keep your shoes on for takeoff and landing.
Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the sign is on. You can tighten the seatbelt by pulling this strap and lift the top like this to unfasten it.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat, and if you're sleeping with a blanket, fasten the seatbelt over the top so we do not have to disturb you.
For departure, please keep your devices on flight mode, or switch them off until we're in the air. Should you drop your device, please do not rush to find it. We will be more than happy to help, and this can avoid moving the seats, which can damage your phone.
Everyone knows that it's now illegal to smoke on board, but just for clarity, this also includes electronic smoking devices.
And in case you didn't know, all the laboratories have smoke detectors.
There's a change in cabin pressure. Oxygen masks will appear from above you. Hold the mask towards you like this to start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask over your mouth and nose, adjust the strap, and breathe normally. And always put your own mask on first before you help anyone else.
In the unlikely event of emergency, when cabin crew tell you to brace, lean forward against the seat in front of you, like this. And like this if you're holding an infant.
Or lean forward with your arms tucked under your legs, like this. There are life jackets under or to the side of your seat. Remove the life jacket and put it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist, fasten at the front. Pull firmly to make sure it's secure.
Only inflate your life jacket at the door when you're leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, pull the two red toggles sharply downward. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. There's a light and whistle on your life jacket to attract attention. Cabin crew will give out life jackets or life pots for instance.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back as it may be behind you.
There are 10 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-300.
If we need to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor to the nearest exit. Take off high-heeled shoes before you use the safety slides.
Thank you for your attention. If you need a reminder of any of the safety steps, check the safety card in your seat pocket or ask us at any time.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your Emirates flight.
Our colleagues will be with you once we're airborne to ensure you receive our Fly Better experience. Thank you for flying Emirates.
There is like keyboard to it, but you know, it's detachable.
Detachable, yeah.
I told him to put it away, but
Is it bigger than mine, tablet?
no, I don't think so. No, it's normal tablet size. I thought, but he needs to put it away, right?
No, computer no, it doesn't. The sheet.
Kaya mo ba? Gagawa tayo.
Paano patse tayo? Ay tayo. Ay puso na sa akin pang ano nga. Sana hindi malaglaggers. Magulat ako sa impa. Ang tagal nyo naman. Bilisan nyo naman. Lubat na ako. Basta natin. Ayan na.
Meron naman ako.
The crew prepare for departure.
Hindi ko makita.
Ay, sorry. Okay na. Okay. Mana.